Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to sign in to your Gardenscapes application. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. Open your Gardenscapes app and wait until it loads. Once you end up in this main home page, you can go ahead and tap on the play button to start playing the game as a guest. But if you want to save your progress, all you need to do is to tap Save Progress button, which will then pop up these options where you can go ahead and link in with your Apple ID, Google account, or sign in with your Facebook. Make sure you have one of these accounts with you. If not, you'll need to make sure you sign up first. Simply go ahead and tap on one of the options. In my case, I'm going to choose the Google option, so let me tap on Sign in with Google. You will then be taken to the sign in page for your Google account. Here, you'll need to type in your email or your phone number associated with your Google account. After you do that, it'll then take you to a new page where you'll need to type in your password for your Google account. Go ahead and do it in the text box. Soon after you are done, tap on the next button. If prompted, you'll need to go ahead and sign in with your two-step verification. Once it's done, you will be able to sign in with your Google account. Now you can tap on the play button in order to start playing the game. Enter your name in the text box when prompted and tap on OK and go through the tutorial first. Soon after you go through the tutorial, you will be able to start playing the game. So that is how you can easily sign in on Gardenscape. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.